Okay, now we will attach the garter. Before we attach the garter, we will finish the edge of the waistline. We will just fold it towards the wrong side of the fabric, 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter, which is on the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, we will be attaching the garter on the pajama pants. The garter should be 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters less than the measurement of the waistline. Then we overlap this by 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters and run several stitches on it. Okay, mark the garter 4 times to mark 1/4 of the circumference of the garter. Okay, see this overlap connection of the garter we will place on the center back seam. Okay, we will align this on the finished edge of the waistline. Leave 1/8 of an inch or 0.3 of a centimeter from the edge of the waistline allowance. And this mark we will align on the outer side seam this way. We stretch the garter and sew this flat on the edge of the waistline allowance. Okay, we pin first this mark on the outer side seam on the edge of the waistline. Then we stretch the garter and sew the garter along the edge of the pajama. Then put in the needle on the fabric and again look for the seam, this time the center front seam, and lay the 1/4 mark of the garter. Then again with the needle in the fabric of the pajama and the garter, we pin again the 1/4 mark on the outer side seam of the pajama. Okay, now we will fold the garter. We start sewing inside the 1/8 of an inch or 0.3 of a centimeter allowance before the garter attachment. And again, you have to stretch the garter, and the fold should be really where the garter is. And you have to stretch the garter while sewing. When we stretch, the 1/4 mark should be aligned with the seam of the 1/4 of the waistline. Okay, we've completed attaching the garter on the waistline of the pajama. Okay, don't be confused. This is just part of the print of the fabric. So this is the length of the pajama pants. We will fold this way and refold it this way. That is where we will sew the hem stitches. Now we are finishing or sewing the hemline fold. Of course, we will be lock stitching the end of the hemline stitches. We will be doing the same procedure for the other part of the leg of the pajama.